Alrighty, what's up everybody? I am finally back. Make sure everything is working. Looks like it. Okay. I got my water boiling in the background, so I'm gonna have to grab that in a second. It's good to be back. Got a nice 2 weeks off and a couple more days because I didn't come back until earlier today, and it was hailing over here, which was a little weird. Definitely not the normal weather. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's see, we got the dollar, looks to be still going up, probably. And check the news here. All right, so Thursday, September 21st, we got some Frank news at 12:30. Pretty heavy, but the Frank is kind of its own pair, so I'm not too worried about it, but I'll keep it in mind though. M Madu, how's it going? I'm doing pretty good, man. Like I said, I got some much needed time off, so I'm feeling a lot better. It's kind of stressing myself out there for a minute, so it's good to take some time off here and there, which I never do. We got a little bit more news at 1. This one's not very impactful. Let me grab this water, hold on. Levi Ackerman, how's it going? Good to see you. Alrighty. Okay, so back to the news. We got this Frank news at 12:30. We got some very heavy GBP at 4. Kind of an odd time. Make sure this time is right. Yeah, the time is right. No, it's not right, actually. Okay, there we go. First, okay. Heavy GBP at 4. Kind of some mixed news at 5:30. Mostly USD, so that should be pretty impactful. Got a red, an orange, and a yellow, so that'll definitely move some things. And what else we got? 7 a.m. Kind of some mixed news, 7 a.m. So yeah, we have some news coming up, mainly for the New York session. The London isn't too bad, other than this Frank news, which like I said, is not, shouldn't be super impactful. Shouldn't be. All right, so let's get into the pairs. EGBP looks to still be going up. Odd NZD looks to still be coming down, but I'm not too sure about that one. See the yen index The yens have been moving a lot these past couple of days. Like I said, dollar should continue going up. So let's check out the yens. The yens are kind of all over the place, which is not really a good sign. Usually it means that usually I'm not going to mess with the yens unless they're all going in the same direction. So I'll probably leave those alone today. You said, what about Bitcoin? I think it's at like 27. Where are we at? There we go. Yeah, 27K. Looks to be coming down. It's holding pretty steady though. It hasn't gone, I don't think it's gone much further below 25. So it's definitely holding steady. Oops, wrong one. There we go. Okay, and then let's go ahead and check the major pairs. So the dollar should continue going up, which will push the majors down. And that looks like that will be the case. So that's probably the trades we're going to take today. And then the UCAT should be going up. Yep. Okay, so it looks like I can get a trade off the majors. Frank, not so much. And then the Frank news is coming about half an hour after the open anyway. So I'll probably leave that one alone. Okay, let's go ahead and check the Euro and GBP cross pairs, even though I don't really trade these anymore. I do like to see what they're doing, just in case they become tradable again. Let's see. You think Bitcoin's in an uptrend? Let's see. It's in an uptrend on the daily. I was in 3 different airports today. So yeah, I was around a lot of people. I do feel I've been sneezing a lot. So I don't know. And like I said, it was hailing earlier. So I might have caught a cold or something. Yeah, I haven't really been messing with Bitcoin, to be honest with you, for a while now. So I'm not really even thinking about it. I'm just checking on it here and there. I would definitely not recommend day trading Bitcoin. That's just the spread is too big. So I wouldn't day trade Bitcoin myself, me personally. So let's see, odd NZD. So if the odd NZD is coming down, the odd USD should be good to short. Although the NZDU also looks good to short too. And so does the GU and the EU. So these are all looking pretty good. Like I said, the EGBP should continue up. So I might actually get in over here as well. We still got 20 minutes before the open. So quite a bit of time. Like I said, the yens, I'm going to leave those alone today. So it's looking like EGBP, possibly odd NZD, and then one of the majors. And I think that's going to be it for today. So I should be able to get something out of at least one of those 3 pairs. In Madu, you said, can I take the FTMO challenge? Well, yeah, anyone can. Are you ready to take the FTMO challenge? I think the GU is going to be the one. It's either the GU or the AU. And the GU looks better. You said because I've taken the MFF challenge account after 2 days, it has been banned. Yeah, my Forex funds is having some type of legal issues right now. So apparently there was some stuff they were doing that they shouldn't have been doing. So yeah, I would leave my Forex funds alone for now, and go with one of the other 8,000 prop firms. Go with FTMO. You can go with the Funded Trader. You can go with. I mean, there's a bunch of them. You can just look up top 10 prop firms. But yeah, FTMO has been around since 2015, so they got a pretty good track record. You said, will there be any issue with FTMO? No, I don't think so. It should be fine. I don't think they've ever had any issues. So, you know, like I said, they have a good track record at this point. They've been around for 8+ years. So, yeah, you shouldn't have any problems with FTMO. Wow. 1 second. All right, so I finally figured out how to add the countdown timer in the beginning, but I do want to add another countdown timer for the open. That's the next thing we're going to figure out how to do. But as of now, we have 14 minutes until the open. We got a little bit of time. Yeah, see, the auto NZD looks a little choppy to me right now. It's not a bad short, but it's not great either, so I'll probably skip this one. This one looks a lot better. Yeah, a lot better. So right now I'm looking for a move up on the dollar. And I can go short over here. And then potentially I'll go long here. And those are looking like the best moves so far. Yeah, this should be a pretty easy short here. Just based off the hourly chart. Okay. All right, session starts in 10 minutes. So this should be the first trade I take here on the GU. I see a good signal for a short. That will be the one. Okay, we got our first green bar forming here. I'm actually take this one first. Looking pretty convincing so far. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take a quick bathroom break and I'll be right back. Okay. All right, so we still got 4 minutes until the open. 3 minutes and 6 seconds to be exact. This is looking like a pretty good move here. I do want to wait for the open though. See what happens. You know the open can be a little violent at times. Always coming down pretty heavy. Yeah, I think I did catch a cold today from being out in the rain and the hail earlier. It was pretty hard for a minute. Soon as I got back in town, it was like torrential rainstorm. Yeah, this looks like a pretty good move here. Looks good on all the charts. All right, got a minute and 10 seconds. Okay, got our first red bar forming here. I would like to see 2. Best moves are 2 confirmations. All right, got 25 seconds. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it's looking pretty good still over here. That might be the first one I'll take. All right, here we go. Hopefully get a little pullback here. Waiting on the dollar to go up. Okay. Actually think I will take this one. Okay, so that is the first trade there. Now it's been a little bit difficult to get 3R lately. But this one is only a 5 pip stop loss. It shouldn't be that hard. Looks like the dollar is making its way back up. So let me go ahead and put this on here, and then we'll look over there. So it's only 16 pips, not too far. And let's see the dollar. So like I was saying, I would like to see at least two red bars on the 5 minute. And that should be a good enough entry. So just waiting on that second confirmation here. Looks like I was too early here. Might end up coming down here. Mr. Tiger, how's it going? Yo, yo, yo. Good to see you, man. How's the gym going? Yeah, looks like I lost this one. Like right on the stop loss. Oh, you haven't been to the gym in 2 weeks? Oh man. I was on vacation, even I went to the gym. Twice. But yeah, I haven't been going as much as I usually do. I try to go like 4 times a week, but that was definitely not happening. Oh, you said, how's my vacation? It was really good. I went to Oregon and Washington. And that was my first time over there, so it was really nice to see. Said people usually do calisthenics while they're on vacation. Yeah, the second time, the hotel we were staying at didn't have like much of a gym, so it was kind of a calisthenic workout the second time. But I did go to 24-hour fitness one of the days and got like a real workout in. Okay, so I was too early on this one here. Let's see if it ends up coming down to this level. Might get back into it. It does look like a pretty good move, even on the 4-hour, even on the daily. So I mean, it's a good move. So I'll see where it ends up going. I don't even think it'll come down this far. This is not bad here either. See, I might just use a bigger stop loss here. Give it a little bit of space. Let's have maybe like a 10. Maybe more like an 8. Let's see. I will try this U Frank move here. So what I'm looking for is good moves on the hourly chart. Okay. All right, so I did go ahead and get into that one. $10 pip stop loss. I gave it a little bit of space. I'm gonna go for $3R there. Only 30 pips. Shouldn't be too difficult. Yeah, looks like this might end up coming down to this level, and we'll see what happens there. Okay, looks like this move down is starting to form. And this is the second red bar on the 5 minute, so I might actually get into this as well. I just want to let this bar form all the way though. And I would like to see these two start to come down too. Okay. Yeah, this is looking pretty good here. Pretty good, pretty good. Let's see. I think I should go ahead and get into it. Alrighty. Okay, now I would say the only bad thing here is that I'm in two separate USD pairs, which I try not to do. It's almost like entering two trades on the same pair. Two. Okay. Now this will work if the dollar continues going up, which, like I said, looks like that's going to be the case here. And if this continues up as well, it'll make the trade even better. You said, do you think US oil is coming up anytime soon? You know what? I haven't checked on oil in a minute. Let's see. I think I do have it on here. Maybe not. Go ahead. Let's see. Let's see what oil's doing. What is it? W. I think it's US oil. Yeah, there we go. WTI. Well, it's definitely an uptrend on the daily chart and the 4-hour. Downtrend on the hourly. Downtrend on the 15. Downtrend on the 5. So yeah, it should come up on the daily chart probably when it gets down to this 21 EMA. So it's got a while to go down, but it should go back up after that. Here's my take on it. Not that I trade oil at all. I have been thinking about it though. Okay, my terminal's glitching out on me. MKKM, yo, the man is here. Yes, sir. I'm finally back from that super long vacation. Went a little longer than I expected. Good to see you, man. I've made some stream upgrades and yeah, it's looking a little better. Gonna add some more stuff in. Like I said, the stream stuff is a little harder than I thought it would be. So a little learning curve to it for sure. Okay, so this EGBP, it didn't come all the way down to the level, but I would need to see some very solid upward movement for me to get back into it. So I need like a big bar, a big green bar on the 5-minute would do. That should be good enough. Yeah, I don't know if it's just me, but it's been really hard to trade the past like 2 months. Much more difficult than usual. Okay, so my trade over here is looking pretty good. We are getting the big green bar that I was looking for over here. So that's a good sign. So how was the vacation? It was really good, man. I went over to Oregon and Washington for the first time ever. So it was really nice. A lot of mountains, a lot of I saw some waterfalls. I saw a lot of water, a lot of trees. People are really friendly and polite over there, unlike where I live. It was really nice. Nice change of pace. It's also good to be back. You know, I don't take much time off, but you kind of have to every once in a while. You gotta give yourself some time, give your brain some time to rest, let yourself recuperate. You said, is it cold there? A little bit. It got cold in like the past 2 days. Today it was cold when I left earlier, and then yesterday was pretty cold. But the rest of the time it was pretty nice. It was actually kind of hot, honestly. Okay. Got a big drop off here, so I might have been too early here. But this one's looking good still. This one I might actually get back into once I get a good entry on it. Yeah, I was definitely too early on this one. Komodo Dragon says, good morning, good evening. Good morning, man. How's it going? Good to see you. Wow, this went all the way up. Okay. Alright, so how am I gonna get into this here? I think I can just do it off this bar. It's too much. That's a pretty convincing move up. I think I should get into it. Okay, so I re-entered on the EGBP. You said, are you planning to complete the 400k funding? Yes, sir. I definitely am. So I don't think it's going to be the end of October like I thought it was going to be. But sometime within this year, probably. Okay, so there's my re-entry there. Looks a lot better this time around. I said, what do you think of MFF? You know, I didn't know much about MFF. But like I say all the time, there's a lot of prop firms, and I don't think that they're all legitimate. You know, so for anybody trying to get funding from a prop firm, I will go with the ones that have a super good track record, like FTMO, for example. I don't know much about the other prop firms, so I'm really not the person to ask, but yeah, FTMO's been around since 2015. I haven't really heard anything bad about them. I haven't seen any type of scandals with them, so you know, it's a really a safe way to go, I would say. This is probably the best trade from today. Really good on the hourly chart. You got the dollar, which is also looking nice on the hourly and the 4-hour. EGBP probably is going up. This pair can be a little finicky at times. I might even re-enter over here. It might be too much on the dollar though. You said, which other prop firms have you tried or heard anyone you know get payouts from? People were getting payouts from MFF actually, but I haven't tried them personally. I've heard good things about the Funded Trader, FTMO, the 5%ers. I would say those are probably the ones I've heard the most about. There's like 10, I would say, that are legit. Yes, this is a nice move here. Okay, a little bit of a rough start, but it's looking pretty good now. Yeah, it did shock the prop industry, but you know, this is the same stuff I've been saying. The same way people get shocked when the with the crypto scams and stuff like that. Why is anybody shocked? Do people really think there could be, you know, 800 prop firms and they're all legitimate? There's just no way. So anybody can make a prop firm. You gotta make sure it's like, you know, super legitimate. Same with the crypto stuff. People hedging their bets on like dog coins and stuff like that. You know, it just doesn't sound like a very good idea to me. Maloki, you said don't trade GBP. Why? Because of news? Yeah, we got some news coming up at 4. But this should be enough time. Usually a move like this goes through in like 2 hours. So it should be okay. And then you got the EGBP going up too. So it'll push it down even faster. It should be okay. But I see what you mean. Okay, this is looking pretty good here. Yeah, hopefully they just go through before 4 o'clock even happens. That would be the best outcome here. Looking pretty good. Take a look around, make sure I'm not missing anything here. Yeah, the yens are not looking very tradable today, so I'm gonna leave those alone today. Yeah, I don't see much else. It's looking like the majors, EGBP. This is not a bad short here, but this pair has been messing me up lately. But this does look like a pretty good short too. Yeah, it is. It is good, but I'm gonna leave this one alone today. All right, cool. Pretty good. So I believe I lost 2 trades. Yeah. Let's see. So if I get these 2, I'll be up 4 for the day. 4R. So that's a pretty good outcome. Only thing I don't like about this here is that the take profit is like right on the level. Okay. Getting some huge movements here. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Beautiful. Wow. You said which broker does FTMO use? I believe it's on their website. Let me look really quick. Let's see. Can't find it at the moment. It is on their site somewhere, I think in the frequently asked question section. I can't find it right now, but if you look on there, you should be able to find it. I remember seeing it on there somewhere. Oh, what the hell? Do you see this? Hold on. Look at this. So this was the trade I took earlier. Got stopped out and then it did this right after. But this is fine. I'm about to get this one here. You said right now some session overlap or something. The price is moving fast. No, there's no session overlap. I think these were just good moves. I knew I was right about that, you Frank. I was just too early. That's okay. Can't win them all, but I'm definitely gonna win these 2. Should win these 2. Okay, it's only got 10 more pips to go. And this one, this one's got a little further, but it should be fine. This is what I like to see. Big movements. All right, well, like I said, this take profit is like right on this level, so it is going to be a little bit of hesitation right here, but it's got so much momentum. I think it should be fine. Oh, you know what? That was the Frank news. I forgot about that. So that was this right here. That's why it went up so much. Actually forgot that was happening. Okay, it has reached 2R. Now, hopefully I'm not being too greedy, trying to go for 3. I think we're good. I do see this. I do see a dollar coming down, kind of heavy. Like I said, on the daily chart it's going up, 4-hour chart's going up, so it should just continue going up. Moloki, you said I passed stage 1, but now around 30% drawdown on phase 2. Yeah, just keep it steady, man. Don't try to go for like big crazy moves or anything. Keep your risk consistent. And you know, if you get too far down, you can just use a compounding formula to get back. That's the way to go. Okay. Yeah, I think both of these are good. You said I'm not a reckless trader by any means. I'll probably recover it. It's just annoying. That's good, man. Yeah, stay not a reckless trader. That's the main way to destroy your accounts. Trust me, I know. And yeah, as long as you keep it steady. Like I said, these past 2 months have been kind of hard to trade. So it's just like that sometimes. So, you know, January, February, March were super easy. July and August have been much more difficult. So, you know, it is what it is. You got to take the good days, got to take the bad days, good months, bad months. Yeah, it is annoying. I agree. But then look at days like today. This is looking like 2 really easy trades. The other 2, I was just too early. I shouldn't even have been trading the U Frank with that news coming up. So that was my own fault. And then the first EGBP trade I took, I just was too early. Komodo Dragon, you said, I just checked. It says they are using their own broker platform, which isn't regulated. From what happened to MFF, I think FTMO will close too, since they are using their own broker. What do you think? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Because you're allowed to become a brokerage. I could make a brokerage if I wanted to. So could you, you know? So you're allowed to have your own brokerage. You're just not allowed to be stealing from the customers and doing like Ponzi scheme type of stuff. That's how MFF got in trouble. Tiger, you said the other day I was risking over 10% per trade on my prop firm because it was taking too long to finish. So I decided to over risk every trade and made it to 80% profit target from 40% profit target. Okay, I mean, you can do that, but you know, the time that you lose is when it'll mess you up. Okay, looks like I'm gonna win both of these trades at pretty much the same time. This is the better of the 2 right here, but this one is good too. So they've got just a little bit more to go. Just a little more. Come on. This one will probably go through first. You said, then I was like, just one more trade and I'll be done with the challenge. What happened was the market humbled me and decided to lose all the trades and drop me back to where I was at 40%. Now I have max drawdown of over 60% and stuck at where I began. I learned my lesson the hard way. My psychology was not on point while thinking like I can take the short route and make it. Yeah, you said it all right there, man. You can over risk and get lucky, but the time that you do lose, it'll just wreck your whole account potentially. So yeah, you got to keep it slow and steady for sure. Got to keep it slow and steady. Once you lose enough money is when you'll start to do things the right way. At least that's how it was for me. Because it can be a really great income source if you do it the right way. But if you're not following the rules, all you're gonna do is lose money. Okay. Have 6 pips to go on this one, and I've got 4 pips to go on this one. And like I said, this one is right on that level. Very close. I lost a trade yesterday by 2 pips. Almost smacked the baby seal. I was so mad. You said there's no short route. You gotta humble yourself or else the market will humble you. That is true. And you said, but I was sticking to the plan and risking 2 to 3% per trade on my personal account. Yep. Yeah, you got it, man. You gotta keep your risk consistent unless you're doing some type of compounding. If you like having those big spikes upward, just do a compounding instead. Yeah, compounding will get you those big giant swings if that's what you're into. Okay, almost got both of these. Oh, nice easy day it's looking like. Yeah, I'm hoping October is going to be a nice trading month because it's been really, really hard these past 2 months. Okay, almost there, almost there. I need like 1 more pip. Oh, please don't do it. Please don't do it. Okay, I had to set this stop the break even. Oh my goodness. Is it gonna do it? Is it gonna do it? This one should be fine regardless. This one I'm a little bit scared. This is the thing about going for a 3R is there's always some type of pullback, almost always some type of pullback before you get to the take profit, which is super stressful. It very rarely just all the way goes through. Okay. All right, quick bathroom break, and I will be right back. Okay. Levi Ackerman, you said looks like GBP USD will pull back to 2340. This session, it will continue its trend in New York session. I don't know about that. Nah, I don't think it would do that. Yeah, just based off the hourly, I don't think it's not gonna go above this giant bar. I don't think it should go through here. So it's got a little pullback right now. So there's a pullback to the 8 right now. It should come down, go through, and I'm not sure after that, but it should continue down, I believe. Okay, so we got our pullback here. This one should also go through now. Yeah, like I said, this is right on the level, but it does have a ton of momentum. It should be okay, but I do have it set at break even just in case. Okay, that's a really good sign. Okay, it's got 6 pips to go. Might have to actually set this to break even too. This really should be fine though, just based off the hourly. It's pulled back a little bit more than I would have wanted it to. Silent Maker, he said low lev right now, brother. Low lev? I don't know what you mean by low lev. You said look at the 4 hour on the GU. Yeah, it looks fine to me. Looks fine. I mean, I could be wrong, but it looks fine to me. This is not terrible here either. I think I will get into this one. So I only go for 2R on this one. I don't think it's a good 3R move, but it is good though. Whew. Okay. Yeah, hopefully this one makes it. But if not, it's okay. I'll take the break even. It's all right. You said is USD JPY going up anytime soon? Let's see. Let's look at the yens. Yens are kind of all over the place today. Yeah, I wouldn't mess with those today. Some are going down, some are going up. Yeah, I wouldn't touch those. I only trade the yens when they're all going in the same direction. It's the only time I'll take a yen trade. You say you bought the GU? That's pretty risky, man. I mean, it's in a clear downtrend on the hourly. That's really risky. Dollar still in a clear uptrend. You're definitely like betting against the grain there. Man, this one actually might not make it. I was off by like 0.5 pips, 0.2 pips. I might even end up breaking even on it. That's crazy. So close. But we'll see. It's not done yet. Oh, man. Okay, end up losing this one. Oh. Yeah, I might just have to start going for 2 reward instead. I'm getting to 2, it's just not getting to 3. So this might just be a time where the market is not moving enough for me to get 3. You said I would take GU sales at around 23, 53.5, just my position. Way up here, hold on. Way up there? I don't know about that, man. That's kind of far up there. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Said you gotta lose so I can win. I'm saying the same thing to you. No, I'm pretty sure I'm right on this one. Pretty sure. Pretty sure I was right on this one too. I just had to stop too early. Or the stop was too small. I'm not gonna try again though. I've already tried twice on the U Frank today, so I'm gonna leave it alone now. Of course, this is when it'll go through. Tiger, you said, I hate it when I'm in profit and lose the trade afterwards. It's just crazy how that happens so often. Yeah, it does happen quite a bit. I mean, look at what I had to deal with today. Look how close I was to the take profit. So I might end up breaking even on this one. I was like 0.2 pips away from the take profit. September's just not it. Yeah, neither was August. I don't know what's going on. It's been super hard to trade lately. Levi Ackerman, you said, I'm pretty sure I'm right on this one. 2. Nah, I don't think so. I don't think you're right on this one. I think I'm right here. I've been doing this for a while, you know. Okay, I might go for one more. I think I am going to. I'm just gonna go for 1 1/3 though. So I'm not gonna go for much on the take profit. Okay. So this is the last one I'm gonna take for the day. Recoup those losses. Okay, looks like I might actually get this one too. Yeah, hopefully I get this one here. If I get this EGBP one, it should be a good day regardless. Did you see the amount of patience I had to have to let that whole thing happen like that? Woo. Oh, yeah, you see that, Levi? You see that? See how it's coming back down like I said it would? I'm just saying. Okay, almost. Almost there. So I'm actually gonna move this stop up to here, because if it goes below there, it's probably just gonna crash down after that. So go ahead and do that. Boom. 492. Okay, so I did move this stop here. So hopefully it just goes through, but if not, I'll still get a little bit of something. This one's looking pretty good. Right. Got 4 pips to go. You see, I'm still taking profits. We're gonna see. We're gonna see who's right on this one. I still think I'm right. Think so. Is that gonna be the new part of the live stream? We're gonna take bets and see who's right on the moves. Let's do it. Okay, so if this one's gonna go through, it should go through on this bar here. Almost there. Almost there. right, GU is looking pretty good too. Still no solid green bar on the dollar though. Okay. I would say all three of these are looking pretty good. I'll be really mad if I lose this one by 2 pips. Not like it hasn't happened before though. Well, I'm not gonna lose it. I'll just, you know, I already moved the stop, so I'll still get something from it. I'll still be mad though. That is the worst. Okay, this is looking really nice. Looks like I won my bet, Levi. It's not over yet, but it's looking like I won the bet. Okay. Alrighty, that is 2 hours of streaming. I think that's probably good enough. I don't know if these trades are going to end up going through anytime soon. This one might go through here. I'll probably dip out of here. I'll be back on tomorrow, 11:30 p.m. Pacific time as usual. I am back for a while at least, so I'll be back on my normal streaming schedule as usual. And then tomorrow's Friday anyway, so it'll be the last stream for the week. I should have time to do a recap video. Yeah, it's looking really bad. Yeah, exactly. Nah, I'm just messing with you, man. I'll be back on here tomorrow. I'll let you guys know how these trades went, and I will see you tomorrow. Later.